USA, the Robson XTT. I haven't seen any videos for the MDC USA stuff in the United States. Probably because they haven't been there that long. But there's tons of video on the Australian one. Basically, it's an Australian company with mostly Chinese parts that now shipped to the United States. So, found a camping spot. Missed the setup in Overland Expo, so you guys are having fun on racers. So we're gonna do the setup here. I've set it up maybe 4 times so far, so hopefully I do a decent job. I haven't set anything up yet, so we can try to time it, I guess. Let's see. What if we can do that? Where's my phone? I'll get my phone, we'll time it on my phone. Stopwatch. All right, here we go. So starting it now. I'll be running for a second before I get over there, but we're starting from scratch. We're gonna set it up. I'm really lazy, let's just say that. And so I bring this to get the legs down instead of the winder thing. Probably take just as long because I'm talking to you first, but easy. Or lazy. All right, I'm at 341. It's just putting the legs down, I guess. It's like 3 to 5 minutes. All right, we're at 9:21 with everything out. Now all I need to do is go inside and put the poles up. We have some water storage in there and I had to wipe some of the water up. So I'll get the stairs now and then we'll put the poles up and see what our total time is. All right, 1310. That's the basic setup. You can now sleep, pull out the kitchen and cook if you want. The annex is a whole different story. That takes a lot longer. I don't know whether I'm gonna set it up or not. And if I do, I don't know if I'm gonna film it, but 13 minutes with jaw jacking with you, with wiping the floor down, with pulling water out. Not too bad, probably 10 minutes, really. Good stuff.